Today, I want to welcome Jody Warren, our Director of Prevention Services. Today, we're talking about Alcohol Awareness Month, which is the whole month of April.
Alcohol Awareness Month happens every April. It's a national public health campaign, and it's really driven to discuss and educate our communities on understanding of alcohol addiction, the causes, the dangers of it, the treatment side of things, and also to go back to having that conversation about lessening the stigma with addiction. This is the number one substance in the country that our youth and our adults participate in. It's the third leading cause of death as well. So 95,000 Americans die per year, this is a preventable cause of death.
What are some things people can do for themselves or their family when they're struggling with alcohol?
One of the first things I would suggest is knowing some of those signs. Do you have a loved one or even yourself asking yourself, are you using alcohol as a way to cope and self-regulate? Are we experiencing temporary blackouts or short-term memory loss, becoming isolated from your family and friends, and maybe even your change of your hygiene, and your responsibilities that you're choosing to drink over those responsibilities and obligation? This can impact difficulty in school and your higher education, right? People might not be attending school. Their grades might be dropping. We might have an employee calling sick in all the time. Legal problems, impaired driving is still a big thing in this country. And we want to educate people on don't get behind the wheel when you're intoxicated or impaired. There's also an association of misusing other substances as well. So we also want to, kind of be observant of that as well.
What's really important is one of the things you brought up before was that stigma piece. We hide it. We're ashamed of it. Alcoholism is a disease. It's just important to be able to feel open enough to talk about it, and there's ways to get help. How does this fit the CFLR mission?
One of our biggest missions in CFLR is prevention. We continue that conversation and we continue that education and awareness. This agency is all about supporting our families. It's all about education, driving awareness, providing the tools and the services and programs to fit their needs. The most amazing thing about this agency is all those beautiful collaborative partnerships that we have, that we can do that warm handoff with us, with another partnership. So we're just increasing that support and building that kind of family dynamic in a positive way.
I want to thank you for joining us today. And if you want more information, please search CFLR Utica or give our office a call at 315-733-1709, or you can visit us on the web at whenthere'shelpthere'shope.com. This is a very valuable message, and know that all through the month of April, we'll be sharing our information about alcohol awareness, and you can give us a call anytime. When there's help, there's hope.